What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I basically make stickers for a living. That is how I make over $10,000 a month, and that's why I'm trying to hit $30,000 a month. That's why I'm making these videos. If you're interested in that, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So I do day in the life vlogs almost every single day except the weekends. So today we're going to be doing customer orders, and I will probably be done unless I get some more time. I'll do another FBA shipment like you've seen in the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, go back, or you can look right here. We'll go check that out, and then yeah, let's go get started. We'll do some fast motion videos, and then at the very end of the video we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, I gotta show you guys something crazy because I'm honestly not sure what to do, so I'm going to need your guys' help. I received an order for 45 of these, a set of 3 for $425. Guys, it's like 120 something stickers, maybe a little more. That's so insane. So here's where I need help. Do I start creating this sticker order and then risk it canceling, or ship it and then they return it because they accidentally put in the wrong quantity? This is where I'm confused, because that's a lot of stickers and it could have been a mistake, but it's pretty hard to make a mistake on. I mean, it could be easy on Amazon, but 45. So I had emailed them, but let me know what you think I should do. I have till tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll have to create them or cancel the order. So let me know in the comments down below what you would do. This is the end of the video. We got our orders here, not a whole lot. We had a lot more online orders. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $70.74. We made $307.67, but I will not be showing you today's sales right there because you're gonna have to watch that for tomorrow because it's a lot more than yesterday. $378 in revenue total, to a total of $6,250 that we have made this month. Guys, we are not on track right now to 30K, but we are on our way to 30K. We are still trying to do that. So if you guys are interested, please subscribe down below. I make a video almost every single day. Also, give it a thumbs up. It would help me a lot and help other people find my videos as well. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.